Hey yo, what is happening? So we're gonna open these three things up. And real quick, I forgot to show this in the last thing. I bit the bullet and finally bought the Siggy's S2K Lego set. Yeah. Anyways, let's get you cracking some cards. Start off with the Auto World. This is the 2005 Chevy Silverado SS Custom. Boom. Ooh. Nice. Oh yeah, look at those tires. Some good looking wheels on this. Then not only is it an opening hood, there's also an opening back hatch. That comes up as well. And we do have something on the plate there. So this is 2 doors, maybe? Yeah, I think this is 2 doors. There's the underside. Got treads. Alright, let's pop the hood. Here we go. That's under the hood. Kind of good look at the interior from here too. Just a gray. Alright, let's give it a roll. Alright, roll's pretty good. Pretty good roll. Alright, so that's your Auto World Chevy truck. Set that to the side. And then what shall we do next? Alright. We'll open up this guy right here, this nice shiny boy. And of course it's got a little case, so it'll still be nice and protected. Alright, let's try to find an easy way to open this if we can. This kind of slides off of here. Well, looky. There is an easy way to open that. Well, alrighty. Cool. That was not so hard to open after all. This is just warning against something. I don't know if I can know. Oh, I guess just age thing or whatever. There's the bottom of the little base. Alrighty, got my screwdriver ready. Now we got it off the base. Keep that right there with that. So I don't lose that. Alright, let's go and check the bottom first real quick. I'm looking at the bottom already. Made in Thailand. Got treads on the wheels. Oh, yeah, look at that shiny chrome green. I got a little something on the window there. The wipers. You can see it on the passenger side. There's something on the window. Like it's on the inside. And the driver's side has a rear view mirror. You can see you've got the little back wiper on there too. Oh, and this, yeah. Ooh. So, looks like the ones for the Majorette collection don't roll as smoothly as their other ones. Just look. Well, the back's rolling just fine. Alright, if I do just the front, it rolls just fine. Set it down. See that? Alright, let's go from the other side. Huh, that's weird. So not a great roller. Though I do, I mean, it is meant to be more of a display piece, so. Yeah, there we have that. Alrighty, I'll put that back up in its case afterwards. Oh, I'll just put it like that for now. I'll have to screw that back on later. Anyways, Mini GT. Of course, this particular packaging is pretty much for the US, as Mini GT is sold internationally. It's just in the box, like this, just in this thing. My first one I ever bought was the red R34 Tomikara, and that came in just the box. So, I'm just going to cut this boy open. So I'm not worried about the blister on this one. I prefer just to have it in the box anyways. Just far enough just to get the box out. Yeah, got the nice little box. Toyota GR86 HKS Type R 2022 Tokyo Auto Salon. Scissors out the way. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Not a whole lot going on the base on the bottom there. Wing is maybe a hard plastic. Don't want to play around with that too much and end up breaking it, so I know the mirrors are generally like rubber. And there we go, yes, right-hand drive. Good looking lights on there. At the top. So we go this side. There's the rear. Then this is the right-hand drive. This is the driver's side. Mini GT, I know definitely rolls. Okay, no problemo. Excellent. Nice. Very cool. Awesome. Definitely a very nice one. And then, as a little bonus, I picked this little mystery thing up. Ninja Turtles. Let's see what I got. You can get either one of the four turtles or one of the two villains from what is on the box. Some little fun, little extra. Let's figure out how to open this first. Boom. Oh, we got Leo. So Raphael, Michelangelo, Rocksteady, Bebop, Donnie, or Leo. So I gotta put some pieces together in here. Look, even this little thing freaking rolls. Alright. What's sticking out? Oh, and then this is... Ew. Alright, well, I'm gonna not mess with this. This is funny. Yeah, it's like a little baby turtle, like it's coming out of like the... Yeah, I'm gonna leave that part alone. Yeah, we'll pass on that part. We will pass on that part. Yeah, this is good. Ooh. Another on the bike. Just fitting because I bike. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next one. Later. Bye.